third paragraph. In the 5th and 6th century, mankind stood on the verge of chaos. It seemed that civilization, which had taken 4,000 years to grow, had started crumbling. At this point in time, Allah Almighty raised our Rasool SAWW among themselves to lift the humanity from ignorance into the light of faith. Now, first of all, underline the difficult vocabulary. In the third paragraph, verge, border or corner, kinara, chaos, destruction, DESTRUCTION, tabahi. It seemed that civilization which had taken 4,000 years to grow had started crumbling. Another word we have is crumbling. Crumbling means break into pieces. At this point, Allah Almighty raised a Rasool among themselves to lift the humanity. Lift, guided. Here we'll get the meaning of lift as guided here. Humanity, mankind. The meaning of humanity is mankind. Ignorance, illiteracy. 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 Faith, belief. BELIEF, belief. In the third stanza, we have been told that in the 5th and the 6th century, mankind was facing great destruction, or they are standing on the border of destruction. They are likely to fall. It seemed that civilization which had taken 4,000 years to grow, the people or the mankind, the culture, civilization means culture. The culture or the norms or the set of belief which have been inculcated in the minds of the people, or they had such beliefs or culture or norms in which they have adopted by themselves. It has taken 4,000 years to grow. Like they were nourishing all these norms, culture, tradition. For how many years? For 4,000 years. Now that civilization, that culture, and that norms that has nourished them throughout the years, now it has started crumbling. Crumbling means now it has started breaking into pieces, crushed. So when the people were facing destruction, chaos, and they were on the edge of destruction, at that moment, Allah Almighty raised our Rasool SAWW among themselves. At that point, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Almighty, raised Rasool SAWW among themselves. What was the purpose of raising Rasool SAWW among them? Although they were having their own traditions, they were having their own civilization and culture for 1,000 years, because he could guide them. Through his teaching, he could guide the people so that their thinking, their morals, their characters could be changed. So what Rasool SAWW did, Hazrat Muhammad SAWW guided the humanity or the mankind from illiteracy means jahalat, from illiteracy to the light of faith to belief. Like they were dipped in ignorance, so he has taken them out from ignorance or illiteracy and guided them towards the way they could get strong belief. They could believe in the oneness of Allah Almighty. So that was the purpose of sending Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam among the people or the mankind who were non-believers, or they had their own culture or traditions.